Kindergarten. So today we are going to go over lesson 1-3. We're going to read, write 1, 2, and 3. So in this lesson, again, we are going to look at the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be able to write them, and also we're going to be able to reason with math. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my view, and we're just going to do a little activity with that. One second. Alrighty, so I have 3 clouds here, and this one that I already drew in. So I want you to draw these 3 clouds. All right, you want a big cloud, and then you want 2 small ones. And in the 2 small ones, you're gonna draw. You're gonna draw 3 stars, 3 little stars. And then in your big cloud, I want you to draw 2 stars. Now, I want to sit and think about what is another way that I can write 3. There's a couple ways that I can write 3, or I can draw 3. And I want you to go ahead and think about that. If you have an idea of what you can draw or what you can write, you can put it in your little cloud. So go ahead and pause me and take a minute or two just to figure out what another way is to draw 3. All right, so there's a couple ways, and I'm going to explain a couple ways. So in 1-2, we have been seeing these graphs that look like this. All right, and we've been filling them in. All right, and we're trying to do the number 3. We have 2 here, but we are trying to put the number 3 here in a different way. All right, so looking at this could be one way. I need to fill in my box. To fill in my box, where am I going to start at? Am I going to start at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Correct. I'm going to start at the bottom. So I'm going to fill in 1, 2. Am I done there? Am I going to fill in any more? I'm trying to get to 3. Think about it. 1, 2. Yeah, you're right. I need one more. 1, 2, 3. So that's one way that I could have put into my cloud. Another way I could have put is I could have just put 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. That's another way I could have done that. Or kindergarten, I could have wrote the number 3. Does anybody know how to write the number 3? Or can anybody see on here where the number 3 would be? Yeah, you're right. Right here, look. Here's the number 3 right here. So today, you're going to learn not only how to draw your number 3 and in different ways, but you're going to learn how to write the number 3 too. So I have a problem right here, and you don't have to write this. We're going to go ahead and just do this on our own. I'm going to do this with you, and then if you want, you could do it on your own. And I just made lines like this. You will be doing this in your independent practice and just working on when you're doing it in class. But we can actually start to practice how to write our numbers. All right, looking at this first one that I have right here, how many circles do I have here? That's right, I have 3. So I'm going to write the number 3. With the number 3, we always start at the top. It's kind of like our sky, plane, and grass. We're going to start at our sky, and we're going to go down and around once to our plane, and then down and around again to our grass. All right, we're going to try it again. Start at the top, down and around to our plane, down and around to our grass. So this is starting up at the sky, down and around to our plane, down and around to our grass. This is what your 3 is going to look like. So go ahead and take a minute. If you need to pause me, go ahead and pause me and practice writing your 3. Awesome job on writing your 3. So the next one I have, I want you to think to yourself, how many do you have here? How many circles do we have on this next one? Right, we have 2. A 2 kind of starts in the middle of our sky and plane. It goes down, up and around and down and across. All right, so it kind of starts in the middle again of our sky and our plane. We're going to go up and around the sky, down over the plane, and across at our grass. And this is our 2. Starting at the middle of our sky and our plane, going up and around our sky, hitting our plane, going down, across at our grass. Go ahead and pause and take a few minutes to go ahead and write your 2. Right, great job on your 2. All right, next, I want you to look. There's one, oh, I said the answer. There is 1 there. All right, so we're going to write the number 1, and this is really easy. It's like in lowercase l. It's very simple. We start at top, which is like our sky, and we go down to our grass. Our 1 starts at the top, goes down. It's a straight line down. 1, 1, 1. Again, this is our 1. Go ahead and pause and take a minute to do your 1. Awesome job today writing your numbers. You did the numbers 1, 2, and 3. All right, and keep practicing those so you get better and better at your writing, writing your numbers. Awesome job, and make sure you just keep writing. Have a great day.